They don't want you to know about this secret gem. Hidden caves where thousands of glowworms turn darkness into a living galaxy. Imagine stepping inside and seeing the ceiling come alive with a blue-green glow. Snap photos beneath twinkling lights, wander along underground rivers, and listen to the peaceful drip of water echoing off ancient stone. Try the local honeycomb for a unique treat before venturing deeper to find the most dazzling clusters. You'll leave feeling like you've walked through a dream. This is not your average adventure. Save this for your next trip.